Hello guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create this dreamy and glowing video effects for your video edits in CapCut. So just add the video that you want to edit, and first go to the video effects. Now click on the lens category, then select the soft effect. So scroll down until you find soft. This one, click on adjust. You can adjust it to your liking. I'm going to go with 80. Now click on a check icon and add the second effect. So go to the video effects again and click on the retro category. Now from this category, select the retro blue effect. Okay, this one. Click on adjust and now set the sharpness into 0 and blur and glow to around 30. Now for the filter, set it to 0. Now click on the check icon and you are done. Don't forget to adjust the length of the effect so it matches with the video duration. So this will be the dreamy glowing video effects. That's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.